Today let us study about inverse probability or Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. Suppose an event A happens because of several causes such as B1, B2, B3, etc., Bk, and these events are mutually exclusive. Sometimes we may be interested to find out the probability of a particular cause. These are all causes of happening of the event A. So we may be interested to find out the probability of a particular cause. In that case, such probabilities are termed as inverse probability, and Bayes theorem is based on inverse probability. We may represent it as or probability of Bi, a general representative of these causes. Bi given A. Usually we write what is the probability of A given Bi or A given B1. That means what is the probability happening of this event because given that B2 has happened. Usually we say such probabilities, but here we want to know what is the probability of this cause really affecting event A. Inverse type probability. So probability of Bi given A is equal to probability of A given Bi into probability of Bi divided by probability of B1 into probability of A given B1 plus probability of B2 into probability of A given B2 plus etc. probability of Bk into probability of A given Bk. This is the formula. Let's see an example. See the question. There are two urns, one containing 5 white and 4 black balls, and the other containing 6 white and 5 black balls. One urn is chosen and one ball is drawn. If it is white, what is the probability of selecting the second urn? So, from the question, there are two urns and the first urn contains 5 white and 4 black balls. First urn first contains 5 white and 4 black balls, and urn second contains 6 white and 5 black balls. So one urn is chosen and one ball is drawn, and if the drawn ball is white, what is the probability that the urn is the second? So let us define the events at first. Let A denote the event that is selecting a white ball. And let's B1 denote the event selecting the first urn. And let B2 denote the event selecting second urn. And our information is that one ball is drawn, that is white ball. What is the probability of getting the second urn? Okay, for which we have to find out the probabilities, different probabilities. That is, First, let us find out what is the probability of B1, that is selecting the first urn. There are two urns, therefore probability of the first urn is 1 by 2. And next is, what is the probability of selecting the second urn? Probability of B2 is also 1 by 2. Then, let us find out what is the probability of A given B1. A given B1. That means what is the probability of getting a white ball from the first urn? First urn contains 5 white balls and 4 black balls. Therefore, probability of A given B1 is 5 by 9. 5 by 9. And what is the probability of A given B2? Means, suppose we are selecting the second urn, what is the probability of getting a white ball? Second urn contains 6 white and 5 black balls, therefore A given B2 will be 6 by 11. Therefore, what is the probability of selecting the second urn given that we have already selected a white ball? So that probability can be represented as probability of B2 given A is equal to probability of A given B2 into probability of B2 divided by probability of A given B1 into probability of B1 plus probability of A given B2 into probability of B2. Okay. In that case, probability of A given B2 is 6 by 11. 6 by 11 into probability of B2. Probability of B2 is 1 by 2. And divided by probability of A given B1 is 5 by 9. 5 by 9 into probability of B1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus probability of A given B2 is 6 by 11 into probability of B2 is 1 by 2. So the final answer will be 54 by 109. 54 by 109. This is the probability.